This is the romantic collection titled Horses from our friends at Stamperia. And this is a 12 by 12 pad. We also have an 8 by 8. The artwork is the same. There are 10 double-sided papers and 30 cutouts. So let me just begin. So here's the beginning of the cutouts. You can see it's they don't waste anything. So this is the back of the front cover. And then we get into the papers. So you can see the horses. Flowers, pennants, text is supporting it. There's the back side of that and the next one. And I know many of our customers love horses. Isn't that a pretty scene with the birds? And there's always a collage look to Stamperia's collection. And I'm riding a horse. We borrow freedom. And there we go with more. And there's the back side, as you would expect, some wood along with the horses. And we've got a saddle and back of that. And then we have photo. So this would be a perfect place to do a photograph. And you can see the back side, which is going to work for anything. There's a giant horseshoe. That'd be fun to put a photo in it. And you can do some around the corner. And there's really pretty with a crackle. There's some more of the 30 cutouts. And wow, that's a fun background. And here are more of them. So you can just cut these out and use them individually, or they can become a postcard. So as whatever you like. There we go. And the other one, and then more of those cutouts. Now, as I said, there is a 12 by 12 sheet or pad, and there's also an 8 by 8. It's the exact same artwork, and just of course scaled down. The same number of cutouts, so that works nicely. So you have various sizes available to you, as you can see. And one more, there you go. Now in addition, there are die cuts. Now the die cuts are printed on a chipboard, and there are 39 pieces, and some of them are just quite large. In fact, as you would expect, the horses are large. Let me get these here. I'm not going to lay out all of them because we did scan them, and you can see an image on the product page for these. Just go to paperwishes.com and you can type in horses die cuts, and you'll see them. So there's a horseshoe, you can see the horses. There is a fence, which is nice, and lots of artwork to support it. You've got trophies, as well as this beautiful saddle and some other embellishments, as you can see. Whoops, I'm kind of going off the corner, aren't I? Well, there we go. And you can just see lots of sizes, and we do have some words: spirit, champion, good luck, best friend. Let's see, there we go. And just many of those. So in total, you have 30 cutouts in the book, and in the die cuts, you have 39 pieces. Oh, and there's also a puppy in there. And these are all from our friends at Stamperia and available right now.